Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and though I think it is great to paint and create things on your own, I think it is also super important to take care of your health. And this RBLCXG paint respirator mask has really given me the confidence that I am doing the best I can to do that. So I absolutely love the design. It came with multiple filters. I loved how easy and secure it was to attach the two filters on the side. The mask itself fits so comfortably around my nose and my mouth. I definitely feel it is doing a good job sealing everything around that area so nothing is getting in. The eye mask fits perfectly around my glasses. The straps that it has that can go around your neck and clip, and then the upper strap has this nice flexible plastic piece that's a circle. The reason why I like that is because I usually put my hair up in a bun. I think this is so well designed. It is so comfortable and easy to have, especially if you're someone who paints a lot. It is such a good idea to make sure you take care of your overall health. It's so easy to store, it's a great thing to have, and that is my point of view.